Hello guys, this is the master barista. Mark.
How are you?
Okay.
Yeah. We are at Oman.
Thank you so much, Mark. Now we are having for doing a procedure for that mixer of the Spanish. Now we are having full gallon. It's not opened, and we are going to empty it 2 liters. It is 2.85. So I'm gonna empty it till it comes 2 liters. So we'll put it here. How much? 850 grams. Okay. It's already 850. 850. That means I emptied the full jug here to be 2 liters. Okay. So I'm not gonna use this. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'll bring this one, you know, to here again, open it, you know. So we have the ready mixture. This is the secret of Spanish latte. So each liter, as you can see here, we have actual 2 liters here. So every liter, it will take how much of this? 250 grams. Okay, that means 1/4. Okay, so as you can see here, it must be what? 500. So it is 500, okay. As you can see. Now we're gonna have only one last step, as shaking strongly to mix it between the milk and the condensed. At the end of the night shift, so there might be 2 layers between milk and condensed. So for the next day, there must be what? Strongly shaking. You strongly shake it as this. See. So now we're gonna go to do Iced Spanish, and you will see how are we gonna do it. It is very simple, and for the hot as well. Simple. I'm going to extract the espresso and then put it in the Iced Spanish. Just put it like this, you know, and then one time to bring it back, and then distribute. You know, looks good. Okay, put the portafilter, and then you put it in the 2 spouts for the espresso. Grams. Okay, you take it out, you return it, nice drink cup. This is the one we wrote on everywhere. Okay, every time that we're gonna use, we're gonna shake it. Okay, should be 150. Okay, and it should be cold all the time. And then this is the last step. Okay, enjoy it. See how simple it is? It is very simple, no? And it is ready. You take the lid with the wax paper, just to be so professional and hygiene. Done. Ready.